Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to ALN Studio tutorial 183, and today's topic is how to add an orbiting microdots animation in an org chart in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select concept sketcher, because in ALN Studio if you want to generate a organization chart diagram, you need to do it through concept sketcher. Now I have already generated the diagram, that is technology company for me, and this got generated in just 15 to 20 seconds for me, and in with 99% of accuracy. So we are talking about the animation. So kindly go to the animation, click on enable animation and click on orbiting microdot, and you can see that a dot microdot would have started moving around. So I'm increasing the dot size, increasing the orbit size, and increasing the radius for you so that it is visible to you over here the way you are seeing moving orbiting dots. So basically adding an orbiting microdot animation in AirLine Studio helps you make your animation in AirLine Studio, helps you make your organization charts more interactive and visually engaging. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.